mag-unboxing ako, which is nagawa ko na. Hindi ko papakita mukha ko kasi kakagising ko lang. Ah, look at that! It's so cute! Galing siya dito. Sa star. Galing siya dyan. This one is Mistio. Essence. Okay. Yan siya. So, pag nag-unboxing, dapat kasama siya. Para kunwari, di ba, nag-aaral. There. And coffee. And this one. Oh, look at that! It's so pretty! Ang liit! 10 ml na yun, di ba? Sister? 10 ml na siya, di ba? Oh no, I think it's more. Like, it's more. Wala. Wala sa kabukan. This is amber na freshie. Ayan. Ayan siya. And then, diba? Amber na freshie. I love minis. They're so cute. They're so cute. Dabber lang to. These are dabbers. Kasi sa sobrang liit nila, they can't be sprayed. Yan. And then this one is the, well, I have, like, this is my and my family's signature scent. Jadoo. But I'm so excited with the mini. No, itsura niya. I think I've seen one sa sister ko. But I am curious kung baka mas malaki to. Ayan siya. Nag-unboxing na ako kanina. Hindi ko napakita ang unboxing ng isa. Eh, this is how you open this. Ayan. There. Oh, diba? Oh, this is a bigger mini.
It's the same.
Same?
The one I gave you.
Okay. Jadoo.
Tita, ayaw pang laba, tita, ha? I-laundry lang.
There. It's so cute. It's the mini one. It's also a dabber. I'm sure. This one is a dabber. Ooh, this is how you open it. Okay. Safe blind buy talaga pag designer perfume. Kasi you would always love them. Like, there's nothing to hate about designer perfume. Unlike niche or Middle Eastern fragrances. Okay, so you can also use this one sa Christmas tree. Ayan. Mas maganda bumili siguro ng ganito pag... Oh, they also have this. This is included in the package. I mean, if you buy it, this one is bought in Singapore. So, yan ang Christmas ano nila. This one is the cards game. Yan. I haven't opened it. And I am not planning to open it today. Ito siya is the pouch. My pouch na rectangle, and this one is in line with the theme na star. So, star siya. So pretty. Usually, ang ginagawa nila, ito yung lagayan nila ng mga minis nila or mga vials. Mga perfume, na mga lipstick. Yan, mga mini lang nilalagay. Ayan siya. Ito siya dito. Diba? Even if it is mini, ano talaga, may attention to detail talaga sila. So pretty. Ganda. So, therefore, I conclude na if you're going to buy designer things or perfume, makeup, something like that, mas maganda bumili pag holiday season kasi mas marami silang freebies and I think the price is just the same, right? Dami na talagang freebies pagka ganitong season. And sometimes they're cheaper, I think. And then this one, free din nila pang decorate sa. This is a
It's
wreath.
an ornament.
Yeah, it's an ornament. Free lang nila. So, if you are celebrating Christmas then, or, yeah, if you're celebrating Christmas then, it's a really nice stuff to have. Ayan. I haven't seen this kind of scent sa any club or group na napuntahan ko. I think this is a new one. I'm not sure. Or Greece lang yung ano ko, familiar ako, or yung mga familiar lang talaga. But let me just open this. And let me smell it. Does this smell like Tom Ford? Tobacco vanilla? Oh my god, if this one smells like Tom Ford tobacco vanilla, oh my goodness! Like, I've been using tobacco vanilla since December 22. And I haven't stopped using it. Kasi, ano din siya. Colder months kasi dito sa Philippines. So, perfect din siya. Ayan. Let me just open it. I'm sure hindi siya dabber. Pag ito naging, oh my god, like this is so big. Ilang mils to? Oh my god, this is so big.
200.
200. Oh my goodness. Like, this is my hand. Oh my goodness. It's so big, guys. Guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, para siyang This is, I'm not sure how close it is. Pero, let me just test it sa skin na ha. Diretso na sa skin. Para siyang tobacco vanilla, pero, oh my goodness, yes! Pero, mas, ano siya sa Filipina setting? Sister, Philippine setting siya. Kasi, hindi siya ganun ka-heavy. But it is still rounded and smooth. But, hindi siya ganun ka-heavy ng tobacco vanilla. But it is tobacco vanilla. Let me just get the tobacco vanilla and compare them side by side later. Oh my goodness. This is the fresher side of tobacco vanilla. Mas ano siya, I'm not sure the longevity kung mas, this is my first time, so pero ang tobacco vanilla, it lasts on my skin for like 8 hours. Maybe if you're well hydrated or nag-lotion ka, it will last you for like 8 hours. Yeah. And to think, nasa labas kami nun. Pero sa clothes, parang yung red ko na blouse, parang ano na siya. Third day, hindi pa nilalaban. And I can still smell it. So it's really long lasting. Tom Ford, wala akong problema talaga sa performance ng Tom Ford. Sa cherry, Lush Cherry, na-try ko na siya pero isang spray lang. So, I'm not really sure sa performance ng Lost Cherry. But this one, this one is really tobacco vanilla, but in a freshy side of things. Let me just get the tobacco vanilla.